Now in this session we will solve some problems on SSC JE 2013 electrical solutions here. So the question number here is an insulated cable having a core diameter D and the overall diameter is D. The ratio of maximum and maximum to minimum dielectric stress is given by. So here in the given problem that the overall diameter is much more greater than that of D. The dielectric stress gradient, so G, is inversely proportional to diameter. So if you want G max means it should be proportional to 1 by small d. So if you want G minimum means it is proportional to 1 by d here. So if it is high, this one will be low. The ratio of G max to G minimum is equal to, so here G max is proportional to 1 by maximum means diameter should be small, minimum means capital D here. So D by capital D by small d is the answer. The next question, compared to the breaking capacity of a circuit breaker, the making capacity should be. Okay, so here the making capacity is based on peak value, and breaking capacity is based on symmetrical RMS value. So we know that Vrms is equal to Vm by root 2. So Vm is always greater than Vrms value. So based on this concept, the making capacity should be more than that of the breaking capacity. Next question is, in electronic circuits, for blocking the DC component of voltage signal, A or AN is connected in series with a voltage source. So here, when we are discussing about amplifiers, example is amplifiers. In amplifiers, the DC signal should be blocked here. So VI is given, and there we will place a capacitor, and here we have a amplified circuit. So this capacitor will blocks DC signal. So why? Because I is equal to C into dV by dt. For DC supply, V is a constant, so that d by dt of constant is 0. So I is equal to 0. That means the DC component is not allowed into the amplifier here. So because of capacitance, so 0, that means it is not allowed. That means it's blocked here. So the element here is capacitor is used here. Next question. For N-type semiconductor, the doping material is. So N-type semiconductor means, so in N-type semiconductor, there are majority carriers and minority carriers. What are the majority carriers? So majority carriers are electrons, minority carriers are holes. So if you want electrons as a majority carriers means you have to add extra electron. So apart from 4 valence electrons, so 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. Pentavalent material should be doped here. So D. So here I have given some reference to you, so that the pentavalent means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and antimony. Third group means boron, aluminium, gallium and indium. Next question. An attenuator probe, as shown, is connected to an amplifier of input capacitance 0.1 microfarads. The value of C that must be connected across 100 kilo ohms to make the overall gain independent of frequency. So that means here we have to add two capacitances. So let's say, so this is the capacitance between 100 kilo ohms, let's say Cx, and here the amplifier input capacitance is 0.1 microfarads. So here we need to choose the capacitance Cx such that the overall gain is independent of frequency. So for that, I will follow the shortcut. The resistance is having a ratio of 100 kilo divided by 10 kilo should be made equal to. So capacitance means inverse. So C here. So 100 is equal to 0.1 microfarads divided by Cx. So from this, Cx found as 0.01 microfarads. So this is the answer here. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.